How to cleanse your gut naturally. A complete guide to gut health. Your gut is more than just a food processing system. It's the cornerstone of your overall health. Often called the second brain, the gut plays a critical role in digestion, immunity, mood regulation, and even skin health. A toxic or imbalanced gut can lead to fatigue, bloating, skin problems, brain fog, and poor immunity. Fortunately, there are natural, gentle, and highly effective ways to restore and cleanse your gut for optimal health and vitality. For more health contents, subscribe to the channel. 1. Start with hydration. One of the simplest yet most powerful ways to flush out toxins from your digestive tract is to drink plenty of water. Hydration supports healthy bowel movements, helps transport nutrients, and flushes waste from your system. Tip: aim for 8–10 glasses of water daily. Add lemon or cucumber for extra detox benefits. 2. Embrace a high-fiber diet. Fiber is essential for cleaning the gut. It acts like a broom that sweeps waste, toxins, and old material out of the digestive tract. Soluble fiber, found in oats, chia seeds, and apples, absorbs water and slows digestion, while insoluble fiber, found in vegetables and whole grains, adds bulk and promotes regularity. Top high-fiber foods: leafy greens, spinach, kale, beans and legumes, berries, avocados, whole grains. 3. Include fermented foods for good bacteria. Your gut is home to trillions of microorganisms that affect your health. Fermented foods introduce probiotics, the beneficial bacteria that improve digestion, fight harmful microbes, and maintain a healthy gut lining. Fermented foods. To add: yogurt with live cultures, sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, kombucha, miso. 4. Cut out sugar and processed foods. Sugars and processed foods feed bad gut bacteria and fungi like candida, which can lead to bloating, fatigue, and digestive issues. Reducing sugar not only balances your microbiome, but also boosts energy and mental clarity. Avoid or limit sugary snacks and drinks, artificial sweeteners, refined grains, fried and fast food. 5. Try natural gut-cleansing herbs. Certain herbs have been used for centuries to support digestion and cleanse the gut naturally. These herbs help reduce inflammation, fight parasites, and stimulate digestive enzymes. Gut-friendly herbs. Ginger reduces nausea and inflammation. Peppermint calms the stomach. Turmeric, anti-inflammatory and liver-supportive. Fennel relieves bloating and gas. Aloe vera, a mild laxative and gut healer. 6. Practice intermittent fasting or light detoxing. Giving your digestive system a break allows it to reset and repair. Intermittent fasting, e.g. 16.8 method or a short fruit-veggie cleanse, can reduce inflammation and allow beneficial gut bacteria to thrive. Sample detox option: 1 day of smoothies, herbal teas, and raw veggies, no processed or heavy foods. 7. Manage stress and get rest. Stress wreaks havoc on the gut by increasing inflammation and affecting the balance of your microbiome. Your gut and brain are connected via the gut-brain axis, so emotional balance is essential for gut health. How to reduce stress. Daily prayer or meditation, deep breathing, journaling, nature walks, at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. 8. Exercise regularly. Physical activity helps stimulate intestinal activity, which encourages regular bowel movements and reduces bloating. It also helps manage weight and reduce stress, both of which benefit the gut. Try brisk walking yoga, especially twists, dancing or swimming. Conclusion: your gut, your powerhouse. A natural gut cleanse is not about harsh laxatives or crash diets. It's about restoring balance, nourishing your body, and supporting the system that supports you. By choosing fiber-rich foods, staying hydrated, reducing toxins, and living a balanced life, you can renew your gut health and experience better digestion, energy, immunity, and peace of mind.